Rosealee walk and pay for cocky where she not get and buy body we free like for gear. Remember without money she can't get a come. Me no know that your tax or your statement, girl. Rosealee go in. Nobody no wanna not say. You should never leave GX or GX alone could have. Me don't know if GX sexy under angels. Because me know while him around him stomach sick. Say me shame like a dog. But him hurt how she give it the cologne. Akeam, you shouldn't hurt a content you be laugh for the girl. You should never hurt a content you be laugh for the girl. But you hurt where you hurt for you and your own mistake. She not supposed to hit way. Me know woman in how much team relationship, how much marriage, how much years marriage, and man bring home chocolate, come give them and then fling it away. Go on with that, yeah. And the man not feel no way. Because the man knows that the gift should have been more than that for the years then we should put up with him slackness. So she keep the shaving cream, that means her crotch is favored on her, so. No, it's not lie. And then she sit down and have the audacity for come on live and try to make the man look bad, but after I have your back, you can't have back in a lie, you lie, you're gonna yam you up. The man give you the shaving cream and feel your chin. Him say, yeah, Matthew, mommy, wow, I'm a big kid now. You're not in no position for argue with no girl. No girl, Rosealee. Cause man no want you, woman no want your dog, no want your bird, no want your beast, no want you. If I me like you, I'm gonna give my life. I'm gonna turn none. I'm gonna turn none. I find one convent of mercy. I'm gonna turn none. You can imagine all the big black cloth that fit you. With the little white something come up. But I don't think them should cover your face because it's going to stretch out. Make them just stop right here, so. Make them get a round neck gown. For true. Enough is enough. This is not working out. It now work out. All of these shenanigans and lies need to stop. And I tell people this every day. What you're doing is not real and you keep paying screen recorders supposed on a daily. Not even Whoopi Goldberg that look bad in our gown like how Rosealee that look. Oh. Cover yourself, man. Cover yourself. Wear veil over your face like you're just a married and you're a virgin. Touch for the very. You not touch at all. I feel say you're too quick with them is a dream, you know. I don't think you're really getting the hood, you know. Algix Taki is supposed to shame. Then you can imagine this. Boy, your dog, you out on the internet. Attend to your position. You get to use. He's a prop. Own up your position, man. GX stomach strong for true. GX stomach strong. Oh, cause you're grinding off your 15 bills. Your stomach strong, GX. I don't know where GX get that chest plate there from, but anyways, I your own. A year own. Come in and know how you do it. I don't know how you do it, GX. If you go into the Bible, you must go in, you have a Samson stomach. If you go into the Bible, man, your stomach too muscly. I not tell no let me feel it. For the internet, not for them. Heart of a lion. Every one of them stick a bush, so Rosealee at the bush. Because Rosealee not look like a stick, my baby. Rosealee at the bush. So why you use that now upon the child? You think you're defender when I hold you through? All you wicked on the Friday, yeah. You wicked on the mountain Friday, you know. I look at things when never there fall. You can imagine all the traffic with that stiff. You know, this is the wrong phrase in your use. I'm supposed to leave Jamaica, go live in our woods. Remember, said no pound run off asleep on ground. So if me live in our woods, at least me can make an amok. No fun run off asleep on ground. Remember, foreign is not a bed of rose, so when you see me right here, so you know, so me I live the rose part. So Rosealee after saying all of this, like how it's you by the cologne, the Akeam, I know that the cologne was a pass round donkey, you know, and never tell a lie. I say it's somebody give him and he might pass it on, but I never know say I give back. I never know say it's give back. When you hear him saying gift as them buy him how much cologne Rosealee, that's supposed to struck you. It simply means that Akeam and your mouth when them gift as an attack this already. Any day Akeam find nobody better than you. I'm meaning the spending part when you can take for fool, him gonna leave you. So when you come out and defend him, I'm my man, and you will never know if me get the cocky. You will get body and him will go leave you. Me no want to shout, me a whisper. Oh, you go. Because your things them come without receipt. So me don't know why you have your receipt to show him. Say a 200,000 for this plus you give him $5,000. You pay him back for the gift for you. How about the mama blood finger? This then the girl you fool with money. Go back and sell nuts, you know. Go back and sell nuts. More know how Rosealee make change when she sell peanuts, Sabrina. How she make change? The need for wrap it up, man, because all of these lies, and every day she get up and tell lie, Abigail. Every day she get up and tell lie. Every day this no follow for gloss. Bam Bam Bigelow Yokozuna. Every day she get up and tell lie. I tell lie. This just proves Jake's point all over. I want you here pay down pan this, because you're not pay down pan khaki. And you're the only girl must spend money per man for class, yo. Every chance Akeam get with somebody, him chat, yo. Then what make you think him gonna put pride in and nothing for you? But him did just set up the venue. Huh? Set up venue, oh. And Rosealee pay for decoration. And a curtain them spread the table with red and white. It match Akeam shoes. And one thing with Akeam, him gonna connect to the function though. Akeam shoes and the tablecloth are go out. She pay 100,000 for the decor. She pay how much for your food? Eh? Make we talk about that. So she pay 75,000 and 90,000 for your food. Plus the man we are blowing at the long something. Akeam tell her way more. Akeam set the date for him and him brethren them. And Akeam cook. And Akeam cook and I eat like him hungry, so. When me cook, me know me can't enjoy the food. Akeam eat like him hungry, like him take wash out, or him just a come from prison. And Akeam cook. Then Akeam for cook and set up so much venue, then a bacteria them yam. Cause they would have to cook overnight. For the day set up venue. Then come the man could talk. If I him cook, him could have shared the anniversary could have keep a Portmore. The anniversary could have keep right in a Akeam hall. She and him know says not him cook. She and him know says not him cook. Them a liar, just like when him come out with the cologne and him know say she buy him. And him did have it for him dress and him grab it up in the dark. Cause him never give none of him gifters gear. Because him gifters give him expensive stuff. Where Rosealee give him a foolishness. That's why she got all out and bring the receipt for the dinner date. I mean never bring the receipt with no gift. Me never bring the receipt. And what kind of foolishness them here? I'm pay foolishness. What shall I do? I'm really one. What shall I? Eh? No, what a lie. Why Rosealee me feel sweet so the truth will come out. I can't say I feel away. Now bother balling because you ball 1 week when them say Cheryl come and know if a ball again is a weekly cry you have. And then when you sit down you come at but I don't watch Shebada and pretty down, you know. I don't watch nobody will bring me down. But you walk up here for cocky where I tear you down. Akeam not stop dry you down. Akeam have you upon the ground, your back them supposed to scrape up. Him just a dry your street lane and avenue. Rosealee let go the boy. Let go Annie's son. Let go Annie's son. Let him go. Annie's son tired of you. Call him only when him for come collect, man. Stop talk about his your man. Somebody audition for you with Rosealee. Now look how much stray boy you have on the app. Somebody audition for you with Rosealee. Number one, when Akeam not sit well with the argument, him come and swell up your lip. And you still do everything. I see why you couldn't enjoy your favorite meal, curry. Because you dip on the dinner date ball, you know. Me say, at the breeze push back the water in your eye, you know. Little most the water run out. All the boy you lick your face, you know him late. She have Max. And she have to pay Max so much money for grind her without light. Eh? Remember say Rosealee the only girl with man sex in a mask. Cause them want to breathe properly. Them don't want to stink up them nose. Remember Rosealee the only girl with man put on mask. And if them not have mask, them have them bad man kerchief for tie around them nose. They make it in an Indian rap. And you're gonna tell me now, remember say Rosealee you walk and pay for cocky where she not get and buy body we free like for gear. Remember without money she can't get a come. Me don't know that I your tax or your statement, girl Rosealee go in. Nobody no wanna not say. You should never leave GX or GX alone could have. Me don't know if GX under angels. Because me know while him around him stomach sick. You can imagine when you and GX are grind him a drink angels like Heineken. Now ask you, she should never leave Drake's. Wanna call him Drake's or GX? Eh? And you sit down now on live and I go on like you want to wrap up girl. Eh? You can't wrap up Cheryl. You can't wrap up Cheryl. Cheryl win. Cheryl a win. Everybody a beat you bad. And you not have no shame. That's why I don't cuss you when you come for me, you know. I go for the things them where you run down. I don't cuss you when you come for me. Because you see through you're numb towards argument. I go for things where you run down. You notice when me talk, you know, it get underneath your skin. Like when Lammy asks you for Akeam. Me don't want for Akeam there. I want know my money there. And you complain to Chiquitita say you broke. Where your money there? And that's why you never want your family them come on the app. Remember GX come take your spot. From GX come on, you not have money like GX. See, Cheryl send gifts for GX and both for your children. Where Akeam give you, that we want to know. Akeam give you where you buy him give it back to you. It's a sign. When your man give you back where you buy him, it's a sign. Me not ask you. Me not ask you. Me not ask her, Sabrina. Oh, cause anytime you find a man we always late for your emotions, it's something for your wants and needs him late. And something seriously. The boy see the Valentines. Sister Akeem not even in tune, but he would never forget dreams weekend. Him not forget dream weekend, you know. And at this why Akeem can't afford for Batikal upon him name. Because right now, and a woman Akeem gonna look a man. A man. Remember, them boy they always go look boys. So girl, stop. You can never compete with a man. You see like how a girl can't compete with a baby? Trust me. A girl cannot compete with a man. Akeem no want you. Akeem don't want you. But Akeem want you can't give him. Where Akeem want where you have come in a plastic. He no want that. After underneath him and a thermocol, he never work at Azan yet. It never bag up nothing when you're in plastic. You can imagine the big embarrassment and you pick them all see you get rejected. A peer rejection you get and your kids them see it. All you not live a motherly life on gigabytes. You not live a motherly life. This is so sad though. And when everybody ready them sit down and talk about leave the girl alone and the girl now leave people FYP with her shenanigans. Exactly. Then who da want her? You know, see the boy comfortable in macking you and showing you how your mouth skin up. Trapped? Trapped. Me say plummy, God no. It just sick stomach. It just sick. Go and be a mom. At the end of the day, your children, them alone want you. No man, you defam. Cause me can't do my face so. Go and be a mom. Yeah. A 2 money gun me come look. Come chat me want 60 galaxy. You break from people money though. And you spend the whole night for Valentine's in July. No man, I wonder if my mother have me the wrong day. Me not understand them people here and I wonder if the world has changed behind my back. And the little nap from me go take. How which year we in you know? Can me not just not know where I go on. The little nap where me go take, you know. The calendar just changed for me nastiness. Who invent digital calendar? A digital almanac them, yeah, man. Me say me go take a nap, you see 2034 reach a lie. That means I'm older than old. Simple be so you mean time a change rapidly for we nastiness. Because Valentine's in a June. Valentine's, that means say tomorrow Christmas. Somebody has shuffled this thing, you know. God really a come. Tomorrow Christmas though. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. No, sir. Akeam sit down on the live and say, and the Valentine's. And which boy Akeam meet February the 14th. Then a which boy Akeam meet on Valentine's, Rosealee. Because we tell you, say, question, what was in the gift bag? Him did a show. And the rest of the message gone. Me don't know what it in the gift bag. It better in the gift bag the click massager. This no, what was in the gift bag for sure? She now come talk about that. Akeam is a genius. Him is a genius. And this is the most open romance can me ever see. Eh? Akeam is a genius, Nicoline. Yeah? Nothing was in the gift bag. Nothing. And him busy sitting down on the live and depend send some gift now. Then me don't know how you celebrate your anniversary and a big. Come on, man. Come on. And somebody say Max body did in the bag. Lord, look pan chukums. This cover here send chukums though. What was in the gift bag? Me tell you says him tell her saying I want her money to go buy the dog. And she give him money to go buy the dog. It's him. Rosealee is Akeam's mother. Annie is Akeam's sister. Let me tell you that you not believe but believe. It's Rosealee have Akeam. And you go on like you live better than enough, girl. I tell the people in this every day. You use your fat and walk and cuss everybody. You see, true, yeah, you know you have whole heap of back fat. You walk and use them and cuss everybody. I tell people this every day. Listen to all your cuss. And it's really things where you go through and where you go through and where you're inner. Yeah, you use cuss people and them don't believe me. Because look how Akeam out sleep on the Valentine's but yet still him set up the red and white cloth on the table. I him put the curtain on the table, you know. And that's why I sit down around it like window. Looking out on the morning rain. I used to feel so uninspired. And it's just the truth. You know, so she sit down on the table and I look out. And you say she give me a window vibe. My song that no spoil it, alright love. Hush. Yeah. Hush. Very tacky. Very tacky. Yeah, the lady in the window. Favorite you reach, all wickedness. You reach. Sabrina, big up yourself. Yeah, but my page get take away. And look how much nasty things you talk on your page. And it never get take away yet. All the smoke you smoke and the smoke has passed through the live. It never get take away yet. Eh? Favorite, nothing never get take away for you, and all of a sudden, it's not the first you have your kids them on live. And your page never get take away yet. Akeam tell you say a theme phone I use. Oh, him want money for your dreams. And you know him never they go bring you. Cause you're a nightmare. And him a go dreams. Wanna girl? And come out for people FYP. Boy, you shall be legendary. See your legendary ship, yeah, your legendariness. See it, yeah. This is all your legend. Daring. This is all, Anika. This is all you legendary. You hear? Them say with them check the total. Akeam alone get 375,000. See it there? Are you alone boy come from prison and make it pan? And look there, Rosealee, all of this could have been one room down a sea view, you know. You could have go upstairs from the dirty place where you did live in. You could have really go upstairs, the people them could have been with Irish Spring and feel like them a fly or a travel. You them would have come off a Castile now. You see all of them something here. And you make Jakes build house. And you see how you preach bad pan Jakes, but oh, the house then now go down. The house the grass go grow in it and grass go grow in your hole. Cause your hole now get no weeding. No weeding. Nobody now plow now walk at that. Grass go grow in your hole, my baby. Go sit down with your bad hole. Of course, Rosealee go drink a bottle of white rum now and burn a box of Newport. Yeah? Me nah ask you. You better go buy wood like dog. Go buy cocky like dog. Oh, you mean the lady stress? I have to stop it. Then after me in the business with Rosealee stress, I come for add more stress to her stress. When she walk, I carry people name go Obia man. Then she not stress out people. Eh? Can you imagine somebody at Obia here, you don't know? And when you check it out at Rosealee, after me in the business with Rosealee stress. I remember she come and talk, so she not buying a back to school for her picking them, you know. Oh, when you can't see them make Rosealee trick on Rosealee monetize this. Oh, one way or another, she make Akeam take her up down pay rent and she know she not even used to paying light bill, cable bill and water. Now boy not trick me so you come from my yard where you never know bills. You not stay there and go and make your money, so till when you come out you jump in a one house. Eh? Me not understand. TikTok liar soon take. Where you go with young tycoon TikTok liar? One man, me can't tell the lady them in her wig. Me can't tell the lady them in her wig TikTok liar. But you go with young tycoon, one man. Young tycoon disappoint my crutches. After the boy cut me up on the airway one day, Lord Jesus, me have to go pray out the whole underneath here, so my crutches get tricked. Yeah. You come with tycoon. Where you go with tycoon? Can't tell the lady in her wig, my love. Because I can't believe tycoon start out as a man and end up like mother. How about the blood finger go on pan? You know, so the internet is the devil's ass way. And the devil's playground, listen, man. Because I can't believe how tycoon start out as a general and end up as a genetress. It start out as a Danny now. When I see the boy when he is a Danamichi. Can't take man in a wig. You can more them go say, man in a wig do me like how man in a wig do Akeam. Then if Rosealee put on them long ear, the Rosealee still favor man when she's naked. I see why Akeam come about for eye problem because him vision are done for her back alone. Just by looking at her back way, when Rosealee say, I look good from back way, you say, Lord Jesus, deliver me. Deliver me the lies we told. The lies we tell ourselves, you know. Rosealee stand up saying in the camera and say she look good from back. Jesus have mercy upon us. But worse than the children of Israel. Then if everybody cuss her back, then when beauty reach around you, so that's how she shape, you know. I can't deal with them, so too much excitement from the app, man. Sometimes I can't bother, you know. Sometimes I really and truly can't bother. Mr. Rosealee favor the tile them in a Jake's bathroom, them just big and careless. You know, so the girl let the low now. The girl let the Lulu. No man look on her back them people. You swear say a blueprint. You swear say a blueprint. Rosealee big like a mansion. Then you can imagine. No, don't tell me stop. Because she need to stop. And then she have the heart, you know, to sit down on the live and talk when I go so. Then you can imagine, she sit down on the live, you know, and talk kitty when I go so. And I try to convince people. Me say every event where I keep Akeam gone. Every event where I keep Akeam gone without her. And then come and talk about say, come here my baby. Don't play with me. Why you juke me in one of my side them for? Oh you mean which side me attack? You juke me in my middle side.